Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Prateek. You're watching Prehistoric Polymath. In some previous videos we learned how to do, this one. It's called the DIY cloud. The link is in the description and even in the iCard up. So please do watch that before continuing this video because we are going to be making something similar like that. I can show you. Oh, it's just a minute. I think it's covered with, yeah, I guess, yes, that one. We're going to be making that one. So it's a tableside bed lamp. So without any further ado, let's get into quite similar to what we did with the DIY cloud. So I'm going to be giving a brief description of what we did. So if you haven't watched that video, link is in the iCard and even the description box below. Do watch it before continuing this video. So the first thing is we need to take a water bottle with a hot glue gun and take synthetic cotton and start sticking all around it, and take a pipe and stick all the LED strips, solder them and connect it to an AC power. Everything is discussed in detail in the DIY cloud video, so do check that out. Again, link is in the description and even in the iCloud. Then I had this small wooden block and I attached them with hot glue because it was broken, and then I took some paint and brush obviously, and then we painted it all around the wood so that it looks good. I like the color pink and I think it looks good right now. And then normally we attach the synthetic cotton with the hole which is made inside the wooden block, and then connect it to an AC converter and then connect it to the main power supply. And then I even added a small switch at the side so to turn on and turn off the lamp. Obviously that's needed in the night. Without the switch, how are you going to turn off and turn off the light, right? Common sense. That's all for this video, guys. This is Prateek. You're watching Prehistoric Polymath. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button and click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post the video first. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and stay tuned and stay hungry. Well, in terms of knowledge.